What's going on, my friend? Garrett Berry here. Now, chances are you're watching this video because you want to know how to make money either with a smartphone or get paid directly to PayPal. Well, you're in the right place, my friend, because I'm going to share with you real proof, exactly, my PayPal account so you can see money coming in and how I've been able to do this so you can do this too, okay? So you want to stick around to the very end of this video because if you watch until the end, I'm going to share with you how you can get access to a special bonus that only people that are serious and stick around to the end can get access to, okay? So first off, what do you need to do this? All you need is a smartphone and you need to be, it's actually worldwide, okay? So you don't have to be in a specific place. Some of the things I share on my channel, you have to be in a specific location. As long as you're worldwide, you have a Wi-Fi connection, and you're willing to learn, and you have a smartphone, you can go ahead and make commissions and payments to your PayPal. Now, I'm in my Gmail right now. As you can see, this is one of my Gmail accounts, and you can see that I'm getting virtually daily. This goes all the way, I wanted to go all the way back to December, okay? So this has been around for a while. I've been kind of quietly doing it, but I wanted to share it with you if you're looking for something to make money with a smartphone or online, okay? Now, ka-ching, $20 in your pocket, okay? $20 virtually daily. These $20, sometimes, $150 in your pocket, $20, okay? So if you're someone that's watching this and you want to learn how you can make, $500 to $3,000 or more a week, very part-time, then click the link below and check out more information, okay? Now, what you're going to get access to at the link below is you're going to find out more information on a opportunity called Online Sales Pro. Okay, Online Sales Pro. Now, I don't know if you're seeing in the bottom left, people are constantly joining this great opportunity. Now, the great thing about this is, as you'll see when you click the link below and check out more information, Online Sales Pro has been around for a very long time, and it allows you to refer people. Every time you refer people when you sign up, you're going to get a $20 or $150 payment to your PayPal, okay? In a second, I'm going to actually log into my PayPal account so you can see that I am actually getting paid real cold hard cash, and you can do the same thing, okay? Now, the great thing about Online Sales Pro is not only do you get automated funnels and ads that you can go ahead and just share online to get referrals and signups, but you also get access to an app that you just download on your smartphone. So anywhere you are, whether you're maybe at the beach or you're hanging out with friends and family, you can go ahead and post it straight from your smartphone. Now, the cool thing about this is it comes with training, so you're not going to have to hit up your friends and family. You're not going to have to bother your loved ones or pitch anyone you love. This is going to tell you how you can attract people online, okay? Online Sales Pro. It's going to tell you how to get people from Facebook, YouTube, and stuff like that to your link to refer them, and you're going to be getting commissions. Now, I'm in my PayPal account, as you can see, and Online Sales Pro right there. These are all the payments that I've been getting. Now, keep in mind, this is not the only thing I do, but if you just focused on this, you could easily add thousands of dollars a month to your income and bank account, okay? Now, as we can see, I've made as much payments. These are once a month, okay? Once a month payments that come directly into your PayPal. $330 directly into my PayPal, okay? $560, $600, 490, 320, and more, okay? I'm not going to go all the way down because there's quite a few, but as you can see, this is a real legitimate business, okay? This is a real legitimate opportunity, and if you're someone that is wanting to just make money in your smartphone, maybe working an hour or 30 minutes a day, I barely even focus on this, and these autopilot signups are coming in, okay? So again, if you want to access to this, go ahead and click the link below. The last thing I want to share is when you go through the link below and you sign up through my own link, you're going to get access to $297 worth of bonus training just for sticking around to the end of this video and going through my link, okay? So all you have to do when you sign up today is let me know through my email or at one of the social media links below. Let me know you just joined, and I'll shoot you the private link to this training so you can see exactly how I'm getting these every single day coming in, okay? It's going to share with you, step by simple step, what I do on a day-to-day basis what I say on social media and how you can do the same thing, okay? So click the link below if you haven't already. Go ahead and check this out. Get started, and I want to welcome you. This is going to be the best year for you. I'm excited, and go ahead and do that, and I'll see you on the next page.